Okay, let's get our activewear on and get active. Or let me at least share with you some ideas on how to get active with your class. We're always challenged with social emotional learning and what we can do for activities and whatnot in our classroom, and sometimes we're at a loss and we tend to kind of resort to some of the same things we've always done. So I was looking for resources and I stumbled across this one who came as a recommendation to me, which was published in 2016. So it's pretty recent, and it's basically called Social and Emotional Learning in Action. And here's what I love about it. I love that it was put together by a professor at the University of New Hampshire who is I believe a director of kinesiology over there, and also runs a center called the Brown Center at UNH, where many schools in that area send children on field trips because they do some wonderful outdoors activities that teach the concepts of community and other social emotional learning things. So what they've done here is chapter by chapter, as you go through it, you'll see activities for community, activities for problem solving, activities for goal setting. And it tells you what materials you need, just like a regular lesson plan book. Brilliant. I don't have to think about this stuff myself. I can just pop through here and say, hey, what theme are we doing this week? Pull out activities and set my week. Another thing I want you to think about is any activity you pull from a book like this. Some of the activities are hands-on, touching other people, and in the time of 2021, we know that social distancing, getting back to school face-to-face is going to be a challenge for us. So my challenge for you is take any one of these activities and look at it and say, if I could do this live, how would I virtualize it? Because really that's what we have to be thinking about constantly. Anything I can do live, I can virtualize. Most things, not everything. So kind of look it up, find a lesson, decide, I can't get this close, how do I adapt it? So great ideas, highly recommend. If you are talking about mindful practice, calming activities, yoga for young children or children who experience trauma, self-regulation, anxiety, and other types of situations, the people over here have written by an OTR, have put together mindfulness and yoga skills. And so these are all put together for you to very easily follow so that you can consult with an OT if you'd like, or do what you're comfortable with doing, but at least gives us some guidelines and ideas of how these are put together for children. So we don't have to write the book on that, it's there. And then, of course, another little reference that I recommend a lot that I like is called Sitting Still Like a Frog. This is a little book that was written and put together for parents to kind of help them to sit still, to calm down, because as we know, frogs can sit still for a very long time while they're waiting to find something to eat. And basically how to get them to go to bed at night and things like that. So what I like is it's just really hands-on little types of things and activities you can do. In the back of it comes with a little DVD there to kind of guide you through some of the activities. And it's just another resource when you're lost for ideas. So as we go through this journey together, let's share our resources. If you got any good resources, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.